Hi everyone, welcome to MaxLaser's channel. Today I want to show you a super useful device. It's the Bentsai B2 Lite Handheld Inkjet printer. And if you're running a business that needs to print expiry dates, best before dates, batch codes or barcodes directly onto your product or packaging, this could be exactly what you've been looking for. It's got a touch screen so you can set everything up directly onto the printer. No computer needed. You can type in your own text, dates, add a barcode or a QR code, even your logo, which is the picture option. Adjust the size and placement and you're good to go. The ink dries fast, the prints are sharp, plus the B2 Lite has built-in wheels on the front of the unit, not on the sides, so you can easily roll it directly across the product for quick and smooth printing. And because it runs on rechargeable battery, you can take it anywhere. Use it in the production line, in your warehouse, or even at a market. When you buy from MaxLaser, you get everything you need to get started. The printer, your first ink cartridge, charger, alignment ruler, plus we've got local stock of all the refill cartridges and support if you ever need help. Definitely check out the Bentsai B2 Lite. If you found this video helpful, please like our video and subscribe to our channel, and if you have any other questions, leave it in the comments below so that we can make more videos for you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.